You have spent years building your Exim business, nights lost in dashboards, hours scrolling through data, and still, key decisions take time, effort, and guesswork. The insights are there, but buried. Outdated platforms, manual analysis, no instant answers. Say goodbye to outdated Exim business intelligence platforms. Say hello to instant, effortless insights. What if trade data could speak to you, understand you, guide you? Introducing TTV GenAI, the world's first true AI-powered Exim trade assistant. Not just AI-flavored. This is real intelligence. It's like having a $30,000 a year trade analyst. Only faster, smarter, tireless. Discover untapped markets. Uncover new buyers. Decode competition. All by asking just one question. This is more than just a tool. This is your edge in global trade. This is TTV GenAI. This is the trade vision.